Hey guys, it's Freya here, and so I'm going to tell you guys a few little things about Flintnapping. So you can use chert, flint, quartz. Those usually are really good, but you can use some other stuff. So I'm just naming a few. So right here I have some chert. They're only little bits, but like that stuff is chert, which you could maybe like make into an arrowhead, something like that. And then, but what you need is like the thing you're gonna make into like a hammer stone. So these are hammer stones, and you can find hammer stones in like riverbeds and in rivers or creeks. A flat, smooth surface, something that doesn't really break, because you're gonna hit it to break the piece off. So you need hammer stones. And these are just some of my ones I did. So this is one that isn't finished. So this arrowhead isn't particularly finished, but that's what I have so far. And then this is a real arrowhead that has been finished. You can use like deer antlers or a copper bobber or a pressure flaker to make all those details and stuff. And so those are the basics of Flintnapping. You usually want a cloth so you don't hurt yourself when you're doing that. So yeah, these are what you really need to make it, chert, flint, quartz, some hammer stones, cloth, maybe like a pressure flaker, or like a deer antler to make the details and all that stuff. So I hope you guys had so much fun watching me make this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Bye!